everybody, so this is original Kountry Boi yet again, and next episode is compound walk. Welcome to my channel again, everybody, and you'll definitely see the beauty of this compound. Alright, so yeah man, in the background you can see already saying that nothing normal. So everybody sit back and relax, and you'll definitely see the beauty of it on the flip. Alright, out. I'm just wanting to know, say, you see me in my shirt right now, I repeat Kountry. What I want to do is go down on my website and I want to go buy a couple of them shirts. You see me? Go buy a shirt. Go buy a shirt. Yeah. Go buy a shirt. You see me? You see how it look good? Alright, so yeah man. First thing about this beautiful place is the rooms and the magnitude of it. You see that? Alright, so this is Riu Montego Bay, and Riu Montego Bay has tons of room, man. And trust me, them nice. Over here you can see the balcony there and not normal, full of space for people who like space. Yeah man. People who like view, go upstairs, who don't want to climb me stairs, them go downstairs on the lower balcony them. Yeah man. And as we do this compound walk, so I housekeeper girl over there, so big her up, cause you know, so without them the place can't clean. Don't know where chap go. Alright, so three nice people here, mask up and everything. Watch them all look. Alright, big up on yourself. Alright. You see it? Yeah man. Nice beach people. So, alright, so what's on this compound? It's a compound wall. Let's list out the compound first. And you don't know, so people there on the compound. Pretty people, be a pretty people. Alright, this compound have pools, bars, beautiful beach, beautiful people. Alright, bless them up. Yeah man. Water sports activity entertainment complex. Yeah man, this is the pool by the way. Yeah, no pool man. So ocean people, you see it? Yeah man, so that's the pool right there. Yeah, oh, and we have a dining area. Food good so far. I think because they don't have to be cooking for a lot of people because of COVID. Practically a little bit of people there. So them not really have to cook for a lot. Yeah man, so the compound up. Alright, so let me show you something by the way. This would normally be a jerk pit, but you don't know it locked down because place is full. Yeah, so one next like an entertainment complex and thing. Over here is another pool bar. Let me see if the bar open. And it look like the bar open, so I have to get a drink from another bar. Yeah man, we soon taking it down on the beach people. If we can get a drink from another bar. Yeah man, this is the beautiful pool deck as well. Nice. Nice pool deck and thing. Look like them are prepared for open. Can't order a drink. Alright, I'm gonna go find a bar, okay? You know, so we have different liquor, alright? Alright, so how much pool is on the complex? I think about 1, 2, 3, 4, around 5. Yeah, man. This is pool where people come play a volleyball. And you see, say lifeguard them at work, cause water clean like a whistle. Yeah, another little real party area. And yeah, I'm telling you this, people them over here plant up some expensive palm tree. If I remember correctly, this is a touch palm. So I'm on the thing up like 7. I don't know. Yeah, one day I can sneak past the grass quick and fast. Alright. Sneak past. I don't know thing there. Alright, piece of order a drink and watch that I make it. I get some trouble right now. Wagwan! Respect, man, respect. Yeah, this bar is open. This is another little entertainment complex. Big up the entertainers there. Every step I take. Good morning, madam. You open yet? Oh, at 10? Oh, not 10 o'clock yet. Oh, so apparently next 10 minutes. May I wait for you here? Bless up the staff, them. The staff, them are real up. Isn't it? This is the front deck or the lobby, people. The place you have to go when you leave this amazing place. Alright, people, the bar is not open, so I'm gonna take you out to the beach and then come back to the bar, alright? Yeah, man, I'm gonna take you down from the beach and show you how down the stay. Alright? Meet you out by the beach. Peeps, this is the El Beach. Yeah, man. Water sports activity. I don't know. Paddle boat, kayak, sailboat. Hustlers, them there on the beach. Same way if you look out there. You can see my boss are coming. There's up my regular slippers as well. I don't know a thing though. Bless up your regular slippers. Bless up yourself, my general. You know, so I'm go right now though. Go right now what? Eh? I'm see what I'm going to see. It's a hustler's anthem, no? Happy hustle, no?
Yeah, man, I text it now for me and boss is spend for me like tight.
Okay, good.
I'm on the tight, yeah, but man, I'll give up. I just shell me the see. You see why it's something, you know what them?
What them know?
You can't use them for foot scrub like bathroom and shell them. And palm so you can use them for decoration. That's the right purpose. I say I'll be the same time.
Yeah, you know, I'll be the same time.
You don't want to blow?
Yeah, I saw blow it like the people them, you know.
Cha-cha.
Mad thing.
So I say I take one for me. I'm not getting up. Let's start the man for you.
How much is this?
I'm also sitting on this.
Oh, yeah, everything in it.
So, I don't want it bigger.
How much is not if no, not too large.
So you don't want one for blow?
Eh?
You want it for blow or you know?
That's why I'm sitting for that put on that dress.
Then take 2 of them and put on the dress on the man.
How much one of them?
Look now, you want 1,500 and take two of them. That's one little one for your gift.
Yes, I give more of a circle room.
Yeah, man, go on that room, man, because if I don't be in there, I can't.
I don't know. I like support my people.
Yeah,
so guess what?
I'm
buy up them things. I see it. But then
you want a different one too?
Hold it till
no, man,
circle.
put them in a room and come.
Yes, I put them in a place.
I'm going to money and come.
Alright, I'm so for there, chap.
Hold on.
Yeah.
Hello. Come and look at the seashell.
Yeah, nice,
I'm more free.
Yes, don't chat. In full of style. Alright, so the bar is finally open. Let's go order a nice strong drink. You know, long may I wait for you to open so I can video you. Guess what I want now, star? I want a nice Long Island iced tea. To start my day. With a splash of Coke, yeah? Yeah, a splash of Coke, yeah. Alright. What's your name?
My name is Mohane.
Mohane. Alright.
Mohane.
Yeah. So rather a splash of Coke, right?
So how is it so far? You enjoying?
Boy, I enjoy myself fully. It feels different than when before COVID. Like staying here feels different when COVID and before COVID.
Yeah.
But then I enjoy it nonetheless.
But even though COVID is still around the that's good.
Yeah, you don't know. After next door. So that's Starbucks
and
and that.
enjoying because they have too much complaining.
So you understand?
You don't complain.
You understand? I love the staff. The staff them really.
How they make you feel nice?
Yeah, the staff they make me feel like a king, you know.
And they give you the perfect measure of rub.
Alright, you know, so women are my thing always make me feel nice.
Okay.
Alright, thank you, sis.
I hope you enjoy.
Definitely, man. Alright, one love. Take care. Alright. Long Island iced tea. Alright, so everybody, after a busy day like this, I just want to say, yo, that is the end of my compound tour. And I just want to say, please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll definitely see you again. I'm out.